Realme C11 will mark a new beginning for Realme C series. This time we will be bringing not one model but multiple models in the C series, and each model will cater to different user needs all across India. For now, we can say that with its big battery and big screen, Realme C11 will continue to be the most affordable entry-level ka boss. I've always spoken about phones and its specifications, but this time, let me unbox the Realme C11 for you. Let's take a closer look at the brand new Realme C11. Now let's open it and see the surprise waiting for us. I've always really liked the packaging that we have for the Realme phones. You can see here the quick user guide as well as the instruction manual and the SIM slot pin here. And yes, the Realme C11, but I'm going to keep it aside for a moment and see what else we have inside the box. Here is the adapter as well as the charging cable. Now this is the brand new Realme C11. The Realme C11 will be available in one variant with 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage option. It is powered by LPDDR4X RAM, which gives 100% performance improvement compared to LPDDR3. With that, let's check the phone. Let me take the SIM tray pin and I'm going to open the SIM slot. As you can see, we have a triple slot here, a dual SIM slot and a dedicated micro SD card slot which is expandable up to 256 GB. This ensures that your phone never runs out of space while storing images, videos or files. I will now put the SIM slot back. Now let's take a look at the design of the phone. From the very first look here, we can see that the Realme C11 has a trendy new design. How do you like this design? And the rich grey. As you can see, these two appealing colors provide a very special visual experience. Process the texture using an industry-leading German 5-axis precise radium engraving machine with 300 minutes of polishing. Finally, from the top to the bottom, which attaches the camera module with the bold Realme logo, yielding a design that's truly iconic and balanced. To the display of the phone. As you can see here, this is the biggest display in the segment with a 6.5-inch HD Plus mini drop full screen display, which powers the super sleek device. When it comes to the battery, I can assure the Realme C11 has the longest battery life. So how long do you think the battery will last for? Conducted by Realme Lab, the Realme C11 has the power to last for 40 days in standby mode. That sets an impressive record, as it is a feature that even some flagships are unable to achieve. With Realme C11, you can enjoy non-stop performance as it features a huge 5000 mAh battery. You can talk, stream YouTube videos, listen to music, play games and navigate without any interruptions. Whichever way you use the phone, the battery life will always exceed your expectations. Let's take video playback as an example. The battery is so good that even if you fall asleep during a 3-hour movie, the Realme C11 will be performing non-stop. With a large battery and power efficiency optimization in both hardware and software, Realme C11 easily gets the crown of sporting one of the longest lasting battery life. Realme C11 is powered by MediaTek Helio G35 processor, making it the best smartphone in this segment. Let me share some insights on its super fast performance. It has an 8-core 12nm processor that clocks up to 2.3 GHz. From mainstream smartphone users as well as gamers, everyone can play mid to heavy games and apps to their heart's content. Compared to other phones in this segment, the benchmark score of Realme C11 goes even higher. As compared to the Realme C2, the benchmark improvement is increased to 41.3%. The Realme C camera. As you can see, we have the dual rear camera setup. There are exciting features like chroma boost, portrait mode, and slow motion video. It's a rare feature in entry-level phones. On the hardware front, the Realme C11 sports a 13-megapixel dual camera at the back. The rear main camera features an f2.2 large aperture that offers up to 4x zoom and supports PDAF autofocus. Now let's see some sample shots captured from the Realme C11. All the colors and nuance details are vividly reproduced by the 13-megapixel primary camera. Whatever you shoot, Realme C11 will not let you down. Although the Realme C11 is an entry-level smartphone, it has the best tools to record your life beautifully. In addition to the primary camera, the portrait lens brings a bokeh effect while shooting in portrait mode. Camera has AI beautification function, HDR mode, portrait mode, and a pano selfie feature. And pull were also tested 10,000 times. And the buttons were tested 100,000 times. All of these make Realme C11 an extremely durable and long-lasting smartphone. And these are just a few of the tests that we carry out to develop phones that meet our stringent and superlative quality standards. Let's see a short video now. Let's sum up the all-new Realme C11. The Realme C11 2GB 32GB is priced at $7,499. Please take a look at the first sale information of the Realme C11 and get your hands on this stylish new phone from Realme.